Master Builders, I present to you my latest invention, the triple-decker flying couch.
Is everyone ready? Let the competition begin!
Yay! Let's go!
I should point out this is my first time flying. Also, this will be the first time this vehicle has been tested in flight, so there may be some turbulence. Oh, sorry! Oh, you ever tried moving a couch? Try flying one. Oh, my bad. Sorry about that. Let's try this. Hey, we're flying! And we're rolling.
Emmet, you're doing great!
Cool invention, Emmet, but it's not as cool as my spaceship. Good, Judy. The two are back. Okay, we're okay. We're all fine.
It's just finished rebuilding his plane!
Oh, they're eating a lot of cuckoo land. Oh, this is bad.
Emmet, get these people out of here!
You know I should have had laser cannons instead of more cuckoos. Hang on! Oh, sweet, we made it. Ah! Dragons!
Little Salem's under attack! You wanna play? Let's play! You must get the guests to safety! And for that cake!
What cake?
That one!
Oh, hang on, everyone! Finally, a serene, peaceful setting. Ah! Pirates! Oh, hey, Littlebeard! I know that guy. We be battling terrible enemies! Little kids! Get away! Get after me, shit!
Oh, what's ye, Metal Beard?
May ye have smooth sailing ahead. Scan. Keep up, push up.
Asteroid! Aha! We made it! Wow! That is the coolest thing I've ever seen! Oh no! Too low!
Don't worry, I got this.
Ah! They've got us in a tractor beam!
Here, take my hyperdrive.
Let's get out of here! Awesome, baby! Thanks, out! Why are we stopping? I think you're trying to help. Let's make it awesomer! Hey, we made it! That was awesome!
We have voted, and the winning invention is the triple-decker couch!
Oh, really? Everything is awesome! Everything is
We also interrupt the singing of that song since we just managed to get it out of our heads.
Congratulations, Emmet! You did it!
We did. Thanks for everything, Master Builders. And remember, your world is what you make it.